Long-distance relationships can be challenging, but they can also be incredibly rewarding. Here are 3 important truths you need to know before you embark on one. First, communication is key. In a long-distance relationship, you can't rely on physical proximity to maintain your connection. You have to be intentional about staying in touch, whether it's through texts, calls, video chats, or letters. Make time for each other and ensure you're both on the same page about your expectations and needs. Second, trust is essential. Without trust, a long-distance relationship won't work. You must trust that your partner is committed to you and your relationship even when apart. This means being open and honest with each other and addressing any concerns or insecurities that may arise. And finally, patience is crucial. Long-distance relationships require a lot of patience and understanding. You may not always be able to be together physically, but that doesn't mean your love isn't real. Take things one day at a time and focus on the moments you do have together rather than dwelling on the distance between you. Remember, long-distance relationships can be challenging, but with communication, trust, and patience, they can also be incredibly fulfilling. If you're willing to put in the effort, your relationship can thrive, no matter the miles between you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips and advice.